Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you what's the difference between store library and personal library. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, store library is where you version 5, where you have upload the model, is everything all into here. Okay, so this is all the version 5 model. Okay, personal library model, it will be in here. Okay, so the difference is when you come to store library, it's much more suitable for those who have using master and sub account. Okay, so if master and sub account, usually they will use this store library more. Okay, when you upload in the store here, the sub account able to see, able to use, but sub account unable to upload. Okay, but when for my upload is for your personal account, so which account also can be used for this. All right, if you are retail account, you can use both. Both also you can use. You got no issue with this. This is only for those who are using master and sub account only. So there are difference between if you use store library and personal library. Okay, even you upload business center. Okay, it's also the same. There's difference between store and personal. Okay, there's difference between store and personal account. Okay, all right, that's it. That's all for this video. Okay, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.